Mars ni som le pariat sang hi som ni le panga ania Lai Autonomous District Council Chief Executive Member Puvi Zirsangan thlop tu anei dan fiatura voina LADC session ko chu session kai hroi tu tur chairman le deputy chairman ten session tran ma a banna an thelu wangin session hi nei thei anilo LADC governorin Chief Executive Member tan Puvi Zirsanga chu thlui February ni somni le pali khan aruata Chief Executive Member tana ruat ani atranga ni somthung chungin house CM in thlop tu anei dan fiatura governorin ati angin chairman Puvi L Muaka chuan voin Mars ni som le pariat hian LADC session akova session tran main chairman Puvi L Muaka le Deputy Chairman Pu Hlal Muan Sang aten anni na tanga banna an thelu wangin Chief Executive Member Vote of Confidence nei tur chu nei thei ani talawani heti lai hian nimina Executive Member atana rin omna thu tiamtira lalu jingami Pubi en thangpuya chuan voin khan Chief Executive Member hena LADC Executive Member ani na atranga banna atheluta Pubi en thangpuya hi Arts and Culture Department PHE Department Industry Department le Cooperation Department te enkoltura ti ani chanchin bu sailai hian Pubi en thangpuya banna hi Chief Executive Member chuan apom thu hriat ani lova Pubi en thangpuya hian ZPM party a chhuasan thu hriat ani lo bok